are back in Rhyl today. We haven't been here for a while. A lot of things have changed since we were here last. Some of the places, some of the buildings have been knocked down. Some have been replaced with other buildings. So we're going to have a look around, see what's changed. Because it's been, how long is it since we've been here? A couple of years, year? Can't remember. So let's go and have a look, see what's changed. And I was going to take a look around then and see what things have changed. So here you can see we've got the new not Sea Life Centre, the new swimming baths. The Sun Centre, because the original one that was built in the 80s, which is further along, was pulled down and they rebuilt a new one here. At the moment it's got nice work's been doing to it there. It's got some as you can see, scaffolding up there. And then you can see that big tall stick that used to have a round thing on the bottom where I can't remember if you sit or stand in it. It used to spin round and go all the way to the top. But when it was windy, it used to shake like mad. Unfortunately, no longer going now. Stick's still there, but it's no longer going. Be alright if it was a more solid structure and it didn't actually swing in the wind. Because it was a bit scary, you wasn't sure whether it was going to topple over or not. Got the amusements over here. These amusements have been here a very long time. Still here standing. A casino lounge. There's a laser zone underneath. That's been various different things underneath. I'm sure it was some dinosaur thing underneath. It's not a laser zone. It looks like a crazy golf as well inside. We've just been in there to go to the toilet downstairs. Yeah, I wouldn't bother. The ladies' toilets, there was no soap. The hand dryer worked, but there was no soap. The toilets didn't have any locks on them. No handles. And one of the toilet seats was ripped off. Luckily I had some hand gel in my bag. So if you need a toilet, maybe find somewhere else for the toilet. We've just parked just down the side street there. And everyone get out, they're all desperate for the toilet, so that's the nearest one. But yeah, I think they need to sort out their toilets. I'm sure they're making enough money in there. There's always people in there on the machines. Sort out your toilets. I wonder what they're doing to the Sun Centre. Never actually been in the Sun Centre, the original one. But I'm not sure why they pulled it down, whether it's because it wasn't safe or what, but this is the new one. We've got an outdoor swimming pool with this one as well as an indoor one, with slides and wave machines and whatever else. Let's get a look. So we can see for this fence there. Can I go up? There's your swimming pool there. Great in the summer, I suppose. There used to be an outdoor swimming pool that wasn't attached to the Sun Centre. I used to go when I was a kid. It used to be further down the bottom, more towards the Splash Point area, and then they moved it up this end, and then obviously now it's attached to the Sun Centre. So, because it used to be free, you used to go in there when you were little, have a paddle and stuff. Now it's part of the Sun Centre, so I don't think, well, to be honest with you, I'm not sure if it's free or whether you have to pay and go in the Sun Centre or what, I don't know, but at the moment the gates are locked. They've got all the scaffolding stuff and it is out of season. Quite a lot of places here are look a bit run down. Shame really. This once was a bustling seaside town. back in the black and white days, everyone used to come in on their holidays as the beaches were all busy and full, and there was guest houses all packed. Even when I was little, you know, used to come for the day. Donkey rides, ice creams, go on the arcades. Even the fairground gone. When did the fairground go? Was it 2007?
A while ago.
Something like that, because I remember going to it. We used to come on bank holidays with my friends, and we used to have a few drinks and go to the fair.
I don't think it's on Google Maps in 2009.
No, I'm sure it was 2007. If I'm wrong, let me know. The nearest fun fairs now are Towing. There's 2 fun fairs in Towing now. Nightlife is one of them, and the other one is Tia Prince. And one of the rides at Tia Prince is from what's it called? Not Alton Towers. By your dad's. What was it called?
Sunset.
No, the theme park.
Camelot.
Camelot. That's it. One of the rides is from Camelot in the Tia Prince. Nice market there as well, and they have car boot sales as well, don't they? There's music on. I don't know whether it's open or not. That's alright. You are part of the team.
I think the view's going, isn't it?
Yeah, the cinema here, the view.
Oh, may have gone,
It's
yeah,
I think it's gone. Rhyl's only cinema. The view. Gone. It's a shame.
Mr. B's, I think, is getting done up.
There's the nearest cinema now. Is there a cinema in London now? I don't know. Chester?
Really
Yeah, Mr. B's there, the amusement park. Gotta walk on, we've got music playing here. Mr. B's has been done up, that's another arcade there. And you've got a Go Local Extra across the road there. The convenience shop. Also got the Bottle and Spade. And there's a new shop there next door, the pizza kebab. And if you're from Rhyl or from North Wales area, you may remember here used to be a nightclub. It was called Rosie's. Anybody remember Rosie's? Used to be downstairs, and then you go upstairs as well. And it's probably called something else before Rosie's, but in my time, during the 90s, it was Rosie's. They pulled it all down, and they built this new Premier Inn, and there was a pub chain at the bottom as well. I've been in the pub at the bottom. It's not bad, to be fair. The thing is, they need to regenerate the rest of it so people would come and stay in the Premier Inn. There's a couple of arcades still here, but not many. Yeah. Shame really now. The local residents who want to go and see a film. I suppose quite a lot of people download the films now, don't they, to watch. Because it's cheaper than going to the cinema, because it's not cheap going to the cinema these days, is it? And by the time you bought your popcorn and your drink and whatever else. There's a bit of bingo going on over there in the Les Harkers, Monte Carlo. You can hear the bingo caller there. Right, £500 cash jackpot. I'm not sure if that's one of the machines or whether it's the bingo. You can see some of the old buildings down there. Got a clock on top of that one. What that was for? Looks like the old red brick as well. Quite a lot of the side streets now with the old 3-storey, 4-storey terraced houses have been knocked down, done up, been replaced. New housing. It's quite warm today. It's the 21st of February. It's 13 degrees and it's sunny for a change. It's quite warm really. I haven't got a big thick coat on. This is the old children's entertainment area. Yeah, this is a bit run down and derelict. Let's have a look. Then there's an entrance there to the car park. Central car park. Yeah. November to February closed. So it's open March to October. I have been in that car park, but I very rare use the car park here. Usually I just go down one of the side streets up by the arcade with the dragon on, and I just park down there. There's no restrictions. But if you do come to Rhyl and you park down the side streets, just check though, make sure there's no restrictions before parking. I don't want to get some fine really, do you? Corner cafe there. That's quite a nice little cafe there. They've got a play place in there for your kids. And I've had a meal in there with my friend. She brought her granddaughter with her. So that's a nice place. They also do parties, I think, as well for the kids. Like a soft play area with slides and balls and things. And then here next door, if you're from Rhyl or you know Rhyl or you've been to Rhyl, there used to be, or what was, the hotel. Massive hotel. And within that block there was nightclubs, there was cafes, there was an indoor market in the middle. All of that has now gone to be replaced with that building over there, which is going to be the new market. Shame really. A lot of history in that hotel. Even though we used to go to the market and they had the fake ceiling, hostile ceiling, which really is safe, but quite a lot of it missing, and you can see all the grand structure underneath from the hotel. Because when it was a hotel, they had the massive ballroom, restaurants, cafes, and secrets to be told, they had the Italian boats with a little river. Some say it's underneath, but I watched somebody on YouTube who went inside before they knocked it down, and he thinks that it was like on the top, looking at different structures and things. But yeah, I can't remember the exact date, but back in the black and white days when it was a hotel, had a massive dome on the top, and there was a huge fire which destroyed that dome. There's quite a bit of history about it on Facebook sites and on Google and stuff. But then obviously over the years they took bits of it, and at the front there was a nightclub and a wine bar, and there was a cafe. Behind the back there was clothing shops, and in the middle was, well, a market, if you can call it a market. There wasn't many shops in there. I used to go with my mum quite a lot. She used to go and see a gypsy in there, read a fortune. You go in the market, and it must have been either the old ballroom or theatre or whatever, and used to go up the side of the steps and go and see this gypsy show, your fortune told. Quite good apparently. But yeah, this is the children's area. They used to have a couple of fairground rides and different outlets, but as you can see, nothing. Shame. Let's go and have a look up here. bought our drone today, so we're going to do some drone footage, which will pop up at the end of the video. Information centre. I don't think it's open anymore. Come and look around. You would if it was open. Sweets and Welsh gifts. And that one there, cheesy chips, tasty milkshakes. It's not even open either. Unless they open seasonal only.
It's not very clear how to get to the sea either.
Yeah, there's quite a lot of maybe we go this way. There's quite a lot of work going on down the seafront. I don't know what they're doing, whether it's flood defences or what, but let's go and have a look down this way. You can go this way down the sea. Oh, but whatever, take off for me, yeah? Go up and down the main street, can't you? Do it here. Cause I'm going down there myself, because yeah, maybe it's just open since it's seasonal, but looking at it, it looks a bit derelict. It's got all the hair fencing around. Look at that mini golf, Welsh Dragon golf. Look at these planters. With no plants. I think they could have probably put some plants in there, brighten up a little bit.
There's a seagull.
A seagull? Oh, look what we found. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. Is this toy seagull? Some kid has lost their toy seagull there and they're sitting there in the soil. Yeah, some nice flowers in there. Brighten up the place. Even the ones over here, look, got all these planters. Nothing in them. Yeah, we have walked a mile, because usually you can just cut to the sea, but because there's loads of hair fencing everywhere, there is quite a bit of green space along the front, a bit further up, isn't there? Which is quite good for seaside town. There's a few trees knocking about. Yeah, maybe down by the old what's it called, Sea Life Centre, which we're going to show you next. Have I been to? I don't think I've been to the Sea Life Centre, but unfortunately I won't be able to go anymore because it's now gone, flattened. Has anybody been to the Sea Life Centre in Rhyl? What do you think of it? Was it any good? I don't know what's going to be replaced there. Some more shrubbery, look. Shrubs. The wildlife and birds. There is a waterfall down here, 5 o'clock. Usually filled with rubbish because people don't know how to put the rubbish in the bin. Look, there's a bin. That's where you put your rubbish, boys and girls, in the bin. So just over there you can see blue fence. And that blue fence is construction work. That's where the Sea Life Centre used to be. And you can see it in the distance. Oops, we censor it. There you go, just behind there, that's where the Sea Life Centre used to be. And then as you can see the wind farms there in the water. go, quick look at this little fun fair over here. Yeah, maybe it's seasonal, but to be honest with you, I don't think much is going on here. And the little mini fun fair for the kids. There's the old Woolworths building over there, with the bingo up the stairs. And then it was B&M downstairs for a while. But it's now called, I can't say it, Hoxer. Bit like B&M. Sell quite similar stuff for everything. And next door is the White Rose Centre, the shopping centre. And you can see at the front they've got a Sports Direct now. So down this street here is the main shopping street with all your shops are. We don't have a look down there after. Quite a lot of the shops have changed and all that. We'll have a look at the market as well, go on the back. There's quite a lot of people here today, considering there isn't much going on. Quite a lot on the arcades, there's a few in the town up there. There's your little waterfall pond, looking quite clean. Couple of seagulls in there having a drink. Let's go up then over the bridge. There's the underground car park. Not sure if it's closed or open. Yeah, it must be open. There's cars going in, see. Maybe, oh, he's turning round. Maybe it's not open then. But like I said, down the side streets, as long as there's no restrictions, double yellow lines or any signs anywhere, that's where I usually park. Right, let's go and have a look. Here we go, folks. Sunny Rhyl, 13 degrees. In February. Here we go, let's have a look. The old site of the old Nightlife Centre. Wonder where all the fishies have gone. See if I can lift it up so that you can see. I don't think my hand is tall enough. No, I'm not tall enough to see over the top. You go down there. Let's go down the grass. Not as high over there. See, that's quite calm today. Bright sun, nice and warm. I don't know if I'm going to be able to see at the top of it though. Maybe. Let's have a look. No, I don't think I'm going to be tall enough, am I? What can you see through there? So I'll look for this bit here. So I can turn it around for you. Okay. So that's the what used to be the Nightlife Centre, as you can see, flattened. So we'll just have to wait and see what they're going to do next to regenerate Rhyl, because that's what they're trying to do. Regenerate it to get the tourism back. Got a couple of hotels, the Premier Inn, I think it's a travel lodge. Both have got restaurants underneath. And we've still got a theatre here as well. I went a couple of months ago to go and see Clinton Baptiste. Brilliant show that was. We were seeing Phoenix Nights. That's where Clinton Baptiste is from. And I went to the restaurant next door to recommend. But unfortunately, we had to rush our meal because we didn't have long before the show started. So we had to skip the pudding. But the meal was lovely. So there you go, that was a look at the, what was the Sea Life Centre, look. Central Rhyl Coastal Defence Scheme. Right, that's what they're doing, guys. So they're doing the new defence scheme along the promenade here. And there's a scan me code there for information. And let's see if we can get down to the seafront. So far we've not been able to get down to the seafront because well, the house fencing, because they're doing work on the defence around the seafront here. But yeah, what do you think of Rhyl so far? Lots of change since last time we came here. Just have to see if the regeneration work gets all the people back to Rhyl. Hopefully we can get to the seafront down here. It says there to the beach. Now I think certain parts of the beach dogs are allowed on, but out of season. Once the season kicks in, then there's no dogs allowed on the beach. But there are signs telling you. So you know which bits you can go on and which you can't. But this area here, look, like a big concert square type, well, it's a circle shape really area. They do have concerts here in this little bit here during the summer. There was like a 90s festival and radio, one have been here and something else. Got the toilets. Which I don't think are open. Which is a shame really, isn't it? And if the disabled one works, we've got disabled key. You can buy them on Amazon, only a couple of quid. They're really handy. My mum's got a couple of them. And they're universal, they're open any disabled toilet anywhere. Usually the disabled toilets with the key they unlock, whereas the normal toilets are always closed. Yeah, this big area here, they have events on. Well, they used to. Right, looks like we can get down the seafront here. I think that over there used to be a kiosk. Ice cream, snacks and things. If you haven't been to Rhyl for a very long while, then this will all be new to you. Not quite sure when this was built. But I've got video, well, cine film of me in this area before all this was here. Because they used to have the Sun Centre was here, and there was a place called the Floral Hall. Anybody remember the Floral Hall? Big massive glass place. There was all different types of plants and flowers, birds, and animals. It was a really nice place. I went when I was little, and there's butterflies and birds and animals. but it closed, and then it just got left, and all the plants were all growing through the glass booth, and then it just got pulled down. So whether they didn't get much custom after so long, I don't know. Why it closed, if anybody knows, drop in the comments. Or if you remember going to the Floral Hall. I remember going and all the big plants and things everywhere. There is videos on YouTube of when it was open and people going around in the 70s and 60s, turning around. Got the lifeboat over there. Yeah. So that's the travel lodge over there, where the Sun Centre used to be. The theatre's next door. So quite handy if there's a show on, you go to the theatre. There's a pub attached to the travel lodge, and in the theatre itself there's also a restaurant, which is quite nice. So somewhere by here where the Floral Hall used to be, and they also used to have gardens as well along the front here. They're like memorial gardens. But look at that picture over there, like a Banksy. Don't think it's a Banksy, there's black. Like see if we can get you zoomed in. Like a boy holding an umbrella on the side of the building there. They're doing quite a lot of work here. I don't know what they're doing. Maybe it's something to do with sea defence down there. Yeah, there's the boy holding the umbrella. Kind of thing like Banksy draws. Right then, let's go and have a look. Here we are, there we go, Seafront. Look at this big open space. Go and have a look what the sea looks like. Yeah, there's quite a lot of like green space along here. Now it's all open space. Quite a lot of people. There's like a cycle path now as well, so the coastal path. So there's plenty of space for walkers and cyclists. There's quite a few people out on the beach today, I think, because the temperature's quite good. Double figures. Booking the spades. Here we are, as you see, the beach. Quite long, this beach, from one end to the other. You're able to see that on the drone footage.
But you can't catch it. One fight gob.
See, I don't know whether you'll be able to see her there. I can see a boat in the water in the distance. Now on a good day, if you head up this way, up the mountains, you could see Blackpool Tower. There's a nice pub on the top. Go for something to eat when you come out. There is information boards and it pinpoints different things you can see. One of them is Blackpool Tower, and I'm not sure if you can see it from this. I think you'd be higher up to see it up. Someone's got a kite. Remember when I had a kite once? Dad bought me a kite when I was little. Took it down the beach and decided to go west into the sea. So my dad had to go in the sea for a swim to go and retrieve me kite. Good fun that was. Watching my dad in the sea. So look on the information board. Here you go, look at this. Tells you where all the different things are. Parking, play areas, baby changing, telephones, toilets, shower facilities. Really? Well, there's your shower facilities. Here we are. And there's shower facilities. So they must be in that block of toilets then, which are just behind there. Which Spanish didn't look very open to me. I suppose if you go on the beach, covered in sand, could always wash off in the sea. All your health and safety information. So there you go. You can see there's the pictures. There's a picture of a dog there, and a red line goes all the way to there. So in that area there, no dogs are allowed. But then beyond that side, and then beyond that side, dogs are allowed. We're not sure if it's restricted though, or whether it's not. But yeah, in the main central bit, no dogs are allowed. But I know down the scent dogs are, because we've had dogs in the past and we brought them. Because the dogs love the sand and I'm going for swimming in the sea. And look, they've got a seaside award. And lifeguard on duty. May and June, September. So from September until May. Don't like there's a lifeguard. You won't want to come and swim in the sea during the winter, it's too cold. Right, let's kind of look over here. We've got a big viewing platform up there. You can watch the top. Get a good view of the sea up there. Got some seats. Plenty of places to sit along the seafront. It's quite handy. We've got a sign here, the Wales Coastal Path, number 5. So if you're one of them people who follow the coastal path. Spin round. We'll have a look around the town in a bit. I'm going to fly the drone so you can see. And we'll have a look around the town, at the market, from the shops. This is a view of the seafront. There we go. Sea-Life Centre. So you can see inside, and I showed you before, you can't really see much. Really bright sunshine today. Should have brought my sunglasses. What's that there? Costa Coffee. Doesn't look like it's open from the front though. Have a peek. There's the kiosk, look. Hair fencing all around it. Hopefully maybe when all the works are done and the season starts, that'll be open. Because it'd be quite handy. Get yourself a drink while you're down the beach. Right, you may be able to see where there's a gap here. Let's have a look, shall we? There you go, we can't really see much. The old walkway there, isn't it? So what we can see now, fly the drone before we head off into town. So what do you think of Rhyl then so far?
Well, it's different, it's changed. It's not as it was.
No. Hopefully all this work that they're doing will help regenerate back to, it won't be the same as what it used to be. Right, we'll head off into town now. Right, we're going to walk back now into town. Hopefully the drone footage will get a good view of the, what I call it, the strip is the main road, Seafront. So, you know, people who've been here before, years ago, can see what it looks like. All different changes they've made. Quite a lot of people out. I wasn't expecting this many people, but I suppose half term in Wales, I think next week. It was England last week. Got through this way here. You can see that picture over there again, the Banksy style picture on the wall. Must be like drainage or something. There's a load of pipes down there, you see. There's a hotel over there called the Sand Beach. There could be a B&B. There are still a few B&Bs along the seafront here, not as many as there used to be. Let's be walk around this way. Not as sunny going around this way, is it? Seeing the concert square area. Kids in there playing football. Got a bit of green space going on here. Some grass and some shrubs. And on this side, some little shelters there. Sit inside. Great if it's raining. There's Andrew now for me. We've got a little skate park over there. Got your skateboards or bikes. Skate park for the kids. There we go, this is the main road. Look down there. That's where the Sun Centre used to be. It's now the site theatre. Then you've got the travel lodge, the pub chain attached. I don't know whether you can see there across the road. There used to be a big was it a hotel house? It looked like a castle. You can see one of the turrets is still there. It caught fire a couple of years back now. And that's only a bit left standing, I think. Some of these places used to be B&Bs many years ago. There's a sandbatch there. Sandbatch. And then you've got Oyo Pier Hotel. These are big grand buildings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stories high. And next door to that looks like there's flats because they've got like 12 numbers on the front. You roundabout, there's another roundabout further ahead with a clock in the middle. That's been there some years, that clock. Down this way. We might nip in get ourselves a cheeseburger after. Don't know whether everyone goes into McDonald's and uses the app. You can download on your phone and then you use the screens and you scan the app and you get points, and points turns into prizes, which is food, drink. But we never ever use the points. We haven't got that many points. And we don't go to McDonald's all the time, but all the points add up. We were able to get a drink and a burger using the points. Church down there. And the church there, you can see the big steeple with a clock on the top. Really bright today. Hello, sir. Got all these big grand 5-storey terrace, and just on the corner there you got that house. Don't think I fancy living on the main road though, all the traffic. I suppose you're not far from the beach though. Well, there we go. Coming soon in the Concert Square area. Well, it's a circle area. Let's see, is this for this year? Oh no, this is the theatre. Ah. Yeah, this is the theatre, guys. Sorry, I thought it was for the arena. So we've got Pinocchio in April. Oh, Chris McLaughlin, is that how you say his name? I quite like him. He's the comedian, the blind comedian. We've got Body Rock, The Overtones in April, yeah, this is all April here. Steely Span, Vision of Elvis in May. Menopause, the musical too. Interesting. Boy's Life, 2025, that's in May. What else we've got? The Legends of American Country Show, G4, Killer Couples, and Northern Live. So there you go, that's in the theatre in Rhyl Pavilion Theatre. So fancy that, there's a telephone number there you can book, and there's a QR code to scan as well. That's what's on throughout April and May. Got another hotel there, Westminster Hotel. Looks like quite a big one, that one. It spans all the way across there. Oh, there's a bus there. Circular service. Wonder where that's going. If we do fancy coming to Rhyl, you can get the train from Chester. You get the Holyhead train, Llandudno train to Rhyl. You can get the bus, but unfortunately you'd have to get the bus to Holywell if you're from Chester area, and then Holywell, Rhyl. Don't know whether it goes anywhere else. So it's easier to get the train, because then once you're on the train you don't get off until you get into Rhyl. But you can, like we've come in our car. 40 minutes away.
Sunset 17:39. 5:30.
But I suppose if we were coming out, a few drinks and whatever else, then we'd get the train. But it's not a place I want to come and go for a drink. I like the olden days. Used to come on a Saturday nights, Rhyl with my mates. Used to get a taxi. Between 4, 5, 6 of us. Share it out, wasn't too bad. And it was really good. There used to be lots of places to go in Rhyl. We had Rosie's on the seafront. There was Flanagan's round the backs. That was a place used to play all different kinds of music and all that. There was a place called the Sussex I liked, which is now Wetherspoons. Got a dance floor in there and music and stuff. There's a few little bars and music and dance floors and pubs and stuff we used to go in. But unfortunately quite a lot of them have gone now. Rosie's is gone. There's a hotel now that stands on the front side of Rosie's. Flanagan's is gone, been knocked down. Sussex has been turned into Wetherspoons. Along the seafront as well, there's quite a lot of bars and pubs and things that have all gone over the years. Ooh, the sun's going down a bit now, I think. Yeah, it was pretty good. A Friday or a Saturday night in Rhyl. Not sure what it's like now these days. I haven't been for a while. If anyone's been to Rhyl recently on a night out, let us know in the comments what it's like. This is where we used to get the taxis from. When you go out your club, you get your bagel and your chips. We used to go to Flanagan's right outside. There was a burger joint, handy. And then you used to walk all the way down the seafront here. This is the bus stop. You just get your taxi. Back in the olden days, you used to come out, no coat on, sandals on in the middle of winter. Couldn't do it now. Too cold. Do you want to do the drone footage down there?
Well, you've got to wait for that to go now.
How long will that take?
Well, it's going down at 5:30.
What time is it now?
4:00.
So do you want to go up the shops for a bit then? And then come back down? Go down the shop, see what's changed down there. Go look at the old market. Grab a burger and a drink and come back this way. Is that good? But then the sun has gone down a bit. Because flying the drone, you won't be able to see much because of the bright sunlight.
I don't know where you're going to. You're
Oh yes, I don't know where I'm going myself. The amount of times I've been coming to Rhyl, I should know where I'm going by now. Right, I'm going to cross the road here. There you go, there's the old Woolworths building there.
doesn't beat.
And then it used to be B&M not long ago. It's now called, I can't say it, Hoxer. It's a bit like B&M. They sell similar things. Whether it's part of B&M, I don't know, but and they used to have bingo upstairs. Anybody been to the bingo upstairs? That's gone as well now. All derelict. Looks like they used it for storage for the shop. Press the button there. Not very good though, was it? If you can't hear the beep. Right, we can cross. Yeah, there's no beep. It turns to green, but there's no beep.
It's like a little spinning thing.
So if you're hard of hearing, just keep your eye out for the green light. Let's have a look what they've got in the shop here. What are these? In this Hoxer, it looks like children's swings. Various different swings there for the kids. Terminator bar fix. Right, here we go. We're going to head into town now. See what's changed. I've been here for a while. We've got a casino on the corner there. Bright spot. Amusements. And they used to have a little rock stall just outside there. And the amusements going. The old Woolworths building. Sell a bit of everything. They've got dog beds, they've got slippers, pillows, some tables there, glass top tables with pictures on, £20. Nice for your garden. Just see if you can see them properly. I'm really good at working this camera, am I? I've got seen some points where you want it to point. Some umbrellas, bowls for the beach. Got another shop over here. What's happened to the windows? All boarded up. I knew they'd been smashed. This is another one of them shops that sells everything as well. Look. Bucket and spade, you've got brushes, fishing nets, bowls, surfboards. Another one on this side. Discount store. Some nice flowers there. Not real, but want to decorate your house. Well, these will last for a very long time, won't they? Nice. Usual bucket and spades, bowls, fishing nets, some giant balls. I think they sell shoes and slippers in there as well, and socks and things like that. Because I've been in there before. Got blankets and pillows and everything. And the usual sugar dummy box. Got your subway there. The kids there with the poppers, remember them when you were a kid? Used to buy them in the shop. Chuck them on the floor and then they go pop. Don't say the excitement myself, but I know my friend's daughter likes them. Got KFC there. And you've got chopsticks and noodle bar. I've been to one of them on the service station. It's alright. Not as nice as going to for Chinese. And you've got your McDonald's as well over there, which we may pop in after. Do some of our points. And in the middle, behind all these shops, is the White Rose Centre shopping precinct. It's a little entrance there that you can go in. And there's a few shops in there. Excuse me. So look what they've got in this one here. More of the sugar dummies. Got pictures of these, these look nice, aren't they? Leopard there in a suit. Some tigers. There you go, and then you've got some fairy moo cows there, Jimmy. Fairy moo cows. Look at that. Fairy moo cows. With their whiskey. And cigars. Look at that one there. The monkey. Whether you can see it or not, the shadow. I used to quite like them. They look a bit different, aren't they? The shop that sells a bit of everything in here. Andrew's gone in the discount shop. There's a few people down that by down in the town there. Not as busy as you'd expect it, considering it's a Saturday. Welsh Rock and gift shop. Let's have a look what they've got in here. $5.99. Small box and a drink. Yeah, that's on your chopsticks. There's the way into the White Rose just there. There we go, this is part of the old Queen's Hotel market. That would have been a way in there. You can see, look at the tops, the old grand windows. Nail bar and a clothes shop. And then you've got Plaza Restaurant. Well, we've got a battered cod, chips, peas, bread and butter, £8. Or you can have a quarter pounder with chips and salad, $4.99. Roast ham, eggs, £5.80. This has been here for some years, this place. Cottage pie, $5.90, or you can have a full English, $4.95. Not bad. And upstairs is the old music venue, 60s, 70s and 80s music. Private hire. Northern Soul. Motown. Not sure if it's still going. If anybody knows if it's still going, let me know in the comments. This, I'm guessing, would have been part of the Queen's Hotel, possibly. That would be the entrance, wouldn't it, to the club upstairs. And look, and they've got some of these planters here, look. With no plants in them. Come on, council. Put some plants in. Brighten up the town. Got a shoe zone, the Boots Opticians, and there's also a Yours clothing shop where they do size 14. I'm not sure if it goes up to a size 30 in there. There's quite a lot of clothes shops, you know, size 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and that's your lot. But they have an online clothing company, but they've got a few shops dotted about. There's one in Birkenhead as well. So yeah, they go really good for sizes, big sizes in there. So down here, we're going to have that now. So they, what they've done with the Queen's Hotel, which has been knocked down, and the new market. Just going to walk down here. Got another entrance there, and it's the Waitrose. That used to be New Look there. I'm not sure what it is now. Ahava, it says on it. And it's also got to let on it, so looks like it's up for let, that one there. And that one there used to be W.H. Smith's, I think. Or W.H. Smith's. Now closed. Let's go down here. Take a look at the what was the old Queen's Hotel. Is anybody old enough to remember the Queen's Hotel or stayed in it? I'm not sure when it stopped becoming a hotel. I don't think it was in my time. I just remember it as little indoor market and shops and bars and cafes and Jean Emporium here, because this looks like it would have been part of the Queen's Hotel as well, because it was a grand big hotel. There are pictures on the internet of what it used to look like, and it shows you the inside as well, all the ballrooms and restaurants and stuff. Really interesting to see. Another shop gone. Was it Peacocks? I think this was Peacocks. Peacocks, I think it was, wasn't it? Peacocks. It's now to let for sale. Yeah, there we go, yeah. Got the old Queen's Chambers. This is part of the old hotel. This is where the new market is going. Look at that, it's got Queen's Arcade there. Can you see it on the arch? Queen's Arcade. It did, yeah. You could go through that way into the indoor market. It wasn't really much of a market though. There was like a DIY store, there was it key cutting and a little shop that sold trinkets and jewellery, and then many years ago they had there was a gypsy in there, wasn't there? What was the gypsy called? Gypsy Smith, because you used to go to see her, didn't you? Was she any good?
Yes.
It was up the stairs, wasn't it, of the old, because it used to be in the ballroom or the theatre area where they used to have the stalls and the gods, and you used to walk up the side, didn't you, up the top. That's where she was, wasn't it? But then they hid all that away with this polystyrene ceiling, because when you used to go on the market, some of it was loose or missing, and you could see all the old ceiling and that grand ceiling inside. Shame that was. You want to go to the car?
Or is it like 3/4 of a mile?
No, it's down there. So that must be the new entrance. So here we go. Queen's Market opening soon, summer 2025. Traders, it's not too late to get in touch. Yeah, if you want to have a market stall in Rhyl. So we can see inside there. Can't really see much. But yeah, that's going to be the new market. So they've kept little bits of the, there's the Queen's Chamber, another one there, door. Kept little bits of what the hotel used to be. But there isn't loads. But there's some interesting videos. There's a guy that went round it when they were knocking it all down inside, and he asked him to go and have a look, and he filmed. He was looking for where the I can't say it, gondolas. That's how you say it, innit? I always say it wrong. The boats that they used to have. That the story was it used to be underneath the hotel, but this fella went and had a look round and matching pictures up, and I think that it was on the surface. Here you go, this is the Sussex place we used to go back in the day. Club with a dance floor. Now it's been turned into a Wetherspoons. Some guys there waving. Another pub here we used to go to, so a bit on the side. I think it was like a little cafe on the side. They've pulled all the roof down, our little outdoor area. The George. Another one of my haunts I used to go to. Quite busy in the George, a lot banging in the George, isn't it? Oh, is it? Well, the rugby's on. Not sure who's playing, but the rugby's on. Yeah, banging in the George, look at that. One of my haunts we used to go to. We go, Dixie Dean's. I wonder if it's the Dixie Dean. Dixie Dean's gifts. Wasn't it Dixie Dean that had the pub in Chester? Yes. The Dublin Packet. Dixie Dean. If you're into your football, Dixie Dean. Everton, wasn't he? Dixie Dean. Yeah, the Dublin Packet in Chester. One of my haunts we used to go after work, because I used to work on the corner. Dixie Dean's. What have we got here? Look at this. Some little dogs there. There's a bit of jewellery. Costume jewellery, look at this. $1.99 for some earrings there, not bad. Some more little trinkets there. There we go. Got a few there coming out of the pub.
I'll change your mind now.
Show you up there. We'll go down this way down there. Let's go down this way. Gotta go back to the car. Andrew's bought some stuff, wants to put it in the car. So we'll have to walk around with it. Look at them seagulls there on top of that roof. Hoping to get a tasty snack. Oh look. That's the baby one, the brown one. They're always after your food, they aren't they? Greedy. Let's go this way. Look at that. Seriously? Where's those things up in, boys and girls? Throwing your rubbish on the floor. There's a bin over there. Right, here we go, another heart here. I think this was the unicorn. Anybody from Rhyl used to go to Rhyl? Remember the unicorn karaoke place? Yeah, I had a go at singing on there, bit of ABBA. I think I'll be doing it again. We soon walked out of the pub as I started singing. Look at that. Don't know whether that's just falling down, knocked down, or a fire or what, but you can see half the building missing up there. Let's see if you can see through the window. The unicorn, I'm sure this was the unicorn. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments, but I remember going to the unicorn. Can't really see inside, it's all black. You won't be able to see on here. Yeah. Karaoke pub. Huh. Another one over here, Rendezvous. Looks a bit dilapidated. Come on, girl. Get your girly bar, I've done it. So if we go up here, we can go down to the car, can't we? Kebab shops there. Go up this way, back to the car, another couple of pubs here. So this one here used to be Alice's, or it still is Alice's. That was another place we used to go, a dance floor. I think there was a nightclub upstairs, and I've actually went to the nightclub upstairs. But that was Alice's, had a dance floor, bar. And then on the right hand side, another places was Odie's. Now I think Odie's had both of the buildings. That's Pop 40 now. Is that a bar? I'm sure they had this side and they had this side. And they used to go down the steps. It didn't used to go down the steps. And it was called Odie's. Only place we used to come into Rhyl on a Friday or Saturday night. There's a gaming shop. Spectrum Gaming. There you go, down Dixon, look. Pikachu. Explorer Fighters. Loves his Pikachus. Looks like they have like gaming groups in there. I've got over there, like North Wales Women's Centre. Got some of these townhouses here. Yeah, gotta find them, you see, in the bag of mystery. Every woman has a bag of mystery, and I have a bag of mystery. Well, a bag full of rubbish. Really? Look at this building. This is a building that you can see before from Seafront with the clock on it. Can anyone tell you what it used to be? That's a grand place, isn't it? Red brick and that. Well, the circle windows reminds me of work. Exactly the same windows as the ones in my work. Let's have a look around the front so you can see the clock. Let's see what the time it is on the clock. I think it says 12 o'clock up there. It's not 12 o'clock now, it's about 4:05. We've got a TMS local, got news agents. There we are, you can hear them, the bingo, the arcade, the bingo. There's the back of what used to be Rosie's. And I think years and years before Rosie's there was a cafe. I'm sure on the back of the building there was some advertisement board for a cafe. may even have been a hotel as well, if anyone remembers, before Rosie's. Andrew's just gone down there, he's gone back to the car, yes, to put his bag of treats in. We've got, there's 2 free games of bingo daily, 2 coffees for the price of 1 in Corner Cafe, and 2 children for the price of 1 in the soft play area. So that, isn't it? Jackpot lounge for £500, bingo, redemption areas, cranes and video. Ooh. There's one of the arcades in Rhyl many years ago. We used to come and they'd have like a shoot 'em up thing, and it had the old Western people, little characters. There was one in the toilet, there was one with tin cans, and you had to shoot, was it water, and to hit these targets, and the one on the door used to shoot and hit the target, door open, and there's a man on the toilet. Anybody remember that in the arcades here? I think I've seen one in another arcade somewhere else in the country. I can't remember where they. But yeah, that used to be in one of the arcades, and I used to love that. You shoot the targets, and then these Western characters would move and do things.
2 and 6.
Ooh, have a look what I can smell. Burgers. Donuts, look at that. 3 for £4, 6 for £6, 12 for £12. Yeah, get yourself a donut, boys and girls. Smells delish. Plenty of these grab machines around. Oh, like the seaside towns have the grab machines, don't they? Candy floss, your ice cream. And let's pan you around there. There's the Seafront there, the old cinema. This is no longer running. There's the old tower there that used to spin round for views. That's no longer running. And health and safety with that one. On a windy day, used to spray like mad. The follow there at the window. And there's your corner cafe, look at that. And it's open as well. Food's not bad in there. And we've got the children's play area as well, so great. People come into Rhyl with the kids. You want something to eat? Kids can be playing in the play area. Yeah, that's a bit. Oh, there we go. If you go down here and cross over, you can see market, the new market. We've got across there, there's a tattoo parlour. Ooh, I can smell some Indian food. Don't know where it's coming from, but I can smell. Ooh, maybe it's, look at that, Real Spice. That looks quite a nice place there, don't it? Look at that. Real Spice. Bangladesh restaurant and takeaway. Yeah. Anybody there like a bit of Indian? Get yourself to Real Spice. Smells lovely. Let's pan you around now then. This is the look at this. This is where the Queen's Hotel used to be. People of my age probably remember. I think it was Scruples, and there was a nightclub upstairs. Can't remember what the nightclub was called, I've forgotten. I think there was the Queen's Cafe. There was an entrance you went in, and then there was the market in the middle. There was some arcade. Can't remember what it was called, but it was an arcade. There was shops around the back. And the whole lot has now gone. And they've replaced it with this modern building over there, which is going to be the new indoor market. So whether this outside area here is going to be parking or whether it's going to be just pedestrianised, I'm not sure. That's going to be the new indoor market there. But this is where the Grand Queen's Hotel used to be, here on the seafront. But you may remember it as, you know, the nightclub with Queen's Cafe, the arcades. There you go, so opening summer 2025. So we'll have to come back in the summer and see what it's like. There's your Indian, look at that. My favourite food, Indian. Anyone knows me, I love a bit of Indian. Spicy curry. And then my second favourite food, I like Italian food as well. Can't really see much in there, can you? There you go. The new indoor market, boys and girls. So we're back in the summer, let's check it out. Oh, there's an Italian over there, look. My favourite is Sergio's in Chester. Italian food. I like Indian food. Amatella, king meal for one, if you order it to your house. Good value. And obviously Jim's supper bar, Chinese by me. It'd be nice food as well. Chili pink. Oh, another Indian there. Oh, that's a takeaway Indian. Curries, kebab, pizzas, chickens and burgers. There you go. And then we are back by Dixie Dean's again. Dixie Dean's. Head off down here, gonna get a cheeseburger I think in a minute. Gotta wait for Andrew to come back because he's the one with the app on his phone. So that's a little bit of a look at Rhyl. Quite a lot of change since we've been here last time. Doing the old church up there, look. Chapel. Hopefully it won't be long. Get ourselves a burger and a drink, can't we? There's your Wetherspoons. Yeah, this bit of Wetherspoons. Well, it used to be, which is still called till 6. Named after the street, I think. It's that bit there. I'm sure there's like a little cafe in that bit. And then you went through that door there into the bar and that area. And the dance floor down the back. But look on the top here, it says 1940, 1918, 1939, 1940. Old Promenade Memorial Club. See that on the top there? But now it's so wide. Yeah, that's it. First World War and the Second World War Memorial Club. Does anybody remember the club? So is he coming back? See, like a stage. So, oh, I think it's part of the. Is that part of the Sun Centre or not? Like a stage down there with like lights. Oh no, it's part of the. This super camera doesn't want to go the right direction. I think it's part of that children's play area thing. Maybe we'll come back in the summer and see if it's open. 'Cause last time we came here, it wasn't open.
I was just waiting for this to start playing.
William McGlee estate agents. I was supposed to see the houses for sale and they got the shutters down. But I will listen later, we can see through the gaps how much a house costs in Rhyl. There we go. There we go, right. Let's see if we can see. So what have we got? Looks like a bungalow. 2 bedrooms, sunroom, garage, garden, south of Rhyl, reception room, 180,000. What do you think to that, guys? 180,000. Let's see if you can, whether you can see the inside there. What else have we got? A flat. Aha. Here we go. Let's get in there. There's a flat. I don't know whether you can see in there. Top floor flat, close to the beach. 595 per calendar month. Yeah. And there's a house up here. 239,950. So those are the house prices in Rhyl, folks. I think, is it a semi or is it a detached? I think it's a bungalow. Quite a lot of bungalows in the Rhyl area. Ah, there he is. Hey, Andy Pandy. There you go. You've got your band t-shirts, Pink Floyd, AC/DC, and other bands in the jean shop. Oh, and they go 2XL up to a 6XL. So any of the got some good sizes in there. Oasis t-shirts, Iron Maiden, Slipknot, like that kind of thing. Not my kind of music, but there's quite a lot in there for you. We've got a rock bottom clothes shop. Now Andy's back. We can go get ourselves a burger and a drink, and then see if we can find the drone. Now the sun's gone down a bit, so it's not too bright. Or do you want to do the drone first and then the burger and the drink after?
Can do,
Yeah.
You've got to go across the road.
We'll go fly the drone, and then we'll go and get ourselves a burger and
Car's only 2 streets that way.
yeah, no. So by the arcade, because it's good that, you know, parking in the streets.
It's alright in the winter.
Yeah.
Till April.
I mean, in the summer as well, if you're lucky to get a parking space, great, because it gets a bit busier in the summer. But it saves you paying in the car park, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
And it's not far to walk into town as well, so it's quite good. We'll look at some wrestling. Where's that? Tuesday the 25th of Feb.
Gangrel, remember him? Famous wrestler, Gangrel.
Andy likes a bit of wrestling, don't you, Andy?
Well, I watched it for 30
He used to be, was it Big Daddy when I was a kid? And Hulk Hogan and all that business. Got a friend who likes all this wrestling stuff. She watches that quite a lot on the telly. It's usually on like at 1 o'clock in the morning, though, 2 o'clock in the morning. So I fancy staying up to watch that. I suppose you could record it and watch it the next day, but they like to stay up and watch it. But I don't mind it, it's alright, but I'm not a big fan of wrestling. Granny used to like wrestling. She used to watch it when I was a kid. That and snooker. Well, then, should we go back to the seafront then, so we can find the drone?
Yeah, let's go by that bridge maybe.
Yeah? Go find the drone, then come back and get a burger. Mum wants a Philly steak burger, she said. Might not be able to get that for free, but
No, you can't, but you can get it on the deal.
yeah. Anyway, right, when I go now and find the drone, just thought we'd show you a little bit of Rhyl again. Because the last Rhyl video we did was quite popular. Got 11,000 views on that one. Obviously we'll be coming back to Rhyl again, because we don't live far. Come back in the summer and see any more changes. The new market will be open. You should see. Promenade is nice, Main Street is all pedestrianised. So you get quite a lot of the youngsters on their bikes zooming around, doing stunts. As you can see. Even though there's a skate park just up the road there, found the enjoyment of riding around the main shopping street. You've got to dodge the bikes. Usually the gates here are closed, but they're open today. You've got some cars parked there. Okay, this has all been pedestrianised over the years. Remember I used to come to Rhyl on the bus, coastliner bus from Connors Quay, double decker. No coastliner doesn't exist anymore, I'm afraid. All the shops are shutting now, must be closing time. Right, so the sun's gone down now, so it's not blinding us anymore. So we're going to go off now, fly the drone along the promenade, see what we can see. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a like and subscribe, and we'll be back again here in the summer. See what changes have been made and see the new market. But we'll be doing more videos as well between now and then, so check out our other videos. I'm going to see you again soon. Bye.
See you folks, take it easy. There's Rhyl.
Yep. Bye bye from my mum.
There's Rhyl.
And here you go, here's Rhyl.
Look at that sunset, isn't it lovely? Right, I'm going to go and fly around in it now.